Pyramids of Biomass by KayScience.com. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. This here is a food chain. There is 100 kilograms of plant biomass, which is then transferred to 20 kilograms of biomass of caterpillars. There's an energy transfer to 10 kilograms of bird biomass and then 5 kilograms of cat biomass. So how do we represent this in a pyramid of biomass? So each square represents 10 kilograms of biomass. So for the plant biomass, which is 100 kilograms, we need 10 squares because each square represents 10 kilograms of biomass. So this represents plant biomass of 100 kilograms. So the caterpillars, which are 20 kilograms, requires 2 blocks of 10 kilograms. This represents 20 kilograms of biomass. So the caterpillars, this represents 20 kilograms of biomass. In the food chain, there are 10 kilograms of bird. Therefore, we require 1 box of 10 kilograms, which represents the biomass of the birds, which is 10 kilograms, which represents the biomass of the birds, which is 10 kilograms. The cat is 5 kilograms, so this pyramid of biomass requires half a box, which is 5 kilograms. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. So 100 kilograms of biomass is in the pear tree, is then transferred to 10 kilograms of biomass in the aphids, and 5 kilograms of biomass in the ladybirds, and 1 kilogram of biomass in the birds. So because there is 100 kilograms of biomass in the pear tree, you need 10 boxes of 10 kilograms of biomass. So there's an energy transfer of 100 kilograms of pear tree to 10 kilograms of aphid. So you need 1 box of 10 kilograms on the period of biomass for the aphids. And then 10 kilograms of biomass in the aphids is transferred to 5 kilograms of biomass in the ladybirds. So you need half a box for 5 kilograms. And then 1 bird is 1/10 of a box because 5 kilograms of ladybirds biomass is transferred to 1 kilogram of biomass of the birds. So in this period of biomass, the largest mass is the pear tree, which is then transferred to 10 kilograms of biomass of the aphids, and the ladybirds, 5 kilograms of biomass, which is transferred to 1 kilogram of biomass in the birds. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.